So some of the benefits of going through the program is the class schedule, flexibility, the cost of the program.
To have a student come through that's working multiple jobs and in 13 weeks be able to now work one job and make more money than they were before, that's really rewarding for the staff here.
As a dental assistant, I'm able to provide for my family. I've been able to purchase our first home, go on vacations, and enjoy life the way that I've always wanted to.
My name is Stephen Richardson. I'm an endodontist at Red Mountain Endodontics. I would definitely hire an assistant who came from Ada. They've been well prepared. They've had great attitudes, great personalities.
Here at Ada, you will be able to hit the ground running and be a part of a great profession and have a good income.